Hello and welcome to Guidance Tarot by Sapna. In today's reading, we'll be seeing that the messages from your person, if you are in no contact situationship, or you are in separation, or if you have crush on someone, or there is one-sided relationship, we'll be seeing messages from your person. So for that, you have two options here. This is pile 1 and this is pile 2, and you will have to select any one pile which calls you intuitively. We'll also be seeing love messages, handwritten love messages from your person. So do watch the video till end. Now you can pause the video and intuitively select any one pile, and then you can move forward to the timestamps given below in the description box. So let's move on with our pile 1. So let's see people who have selected pile 1, what messages your person has. You have judgment card. I can see that this person is thinking about making some big choices. I can see that you have been waiting for this, communication. This is not about commitment or no commitment, but about communication. So you have been waiting for this person to respond, to communicate. Maybe you have asked them something and they have not responded. Universe is now forcing them to make that communication. So, whether the situation is positive or negative, but you will receive clarity as there is closure over here with this Ten of Swords. I can see that this person has been going through a lot. There have been a lot of challenges. This person has trusted people and they have been mean with this person, and now he's feeling, dejected. He's feeling the regret emotions. I can see that they think that they did wrong to you. I can see that something has happened, and this person made you wait, but they feel that you are their strength, you are really beautiful, and you have the power and ability to control or tame them, because they have. I can see that this is possibly a third party situation. Something was hidden, you got to know, and then you left this person, but still you are in a waiting energy hoping that they'll come back and respond. But now they are also in a energy where they got um, setback from that person, and they feel that you were the person who was better for him, and the person that they had selected over you is not able to understand his feelings, emotions, and now he is also waiting. He's not coming at the moment because he's scared to express how you will react. He's not sure after what he has done, but definitely he wants to come back with communication. And you know something is stopping him because there is fear, there is concern, and humiliation. Fear is also there that you may insult him, or you will not accept his proposal, and then he may again feel that deception. So let's see now messages from your person. What do they feel about you? What messages? Big transformation. The energy is big transformation within 5 months. So let's see next. Okay. Let go of past. See, I told you, and communication. Wonderful. These cards just are, reflecting the previous messages. This is the confirmation. So they are asking you to let go of past experiences, and they are waiting for the communication. There is some big transformation. It may take some time. We again have a timeline within 2 months. So you can expect some communication within coming 2 months, within 8 months. So these, timelines may resonate with you in terms of different, setup. Maybe something will happen within 2 months, 5 months, and 8 months. Okay, in terms of your relationship, but they are, really one thing. Childbirth. Maybe you are already married. People who are already married, they have children, and if you are in separation, this could be a sign that this is your reading, and you may expect some big transformation in coming time. One last message. Okay, thank you, angels. Thank you so much. Good news within 6 months. So very amazing. You have a lot of timelines. Maybe you are expecting, you may be pregnant, wish fulfillment. Okay, so amazing energy. There is some waiting period, but a lot of timelines are being given. Maybe he has been thinking about timelines, and at this point he will do this. So there is a lot of timeline, so he's more action oriented at present. Currently he is thinking about it mentally, but soon he will be in an action mode. Okay, so this was your reading pile number one. I hope it resonated. And do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are, liking the videos which I am sharing, and suggest your friends, family, so that they are also getting benefit of the readings and the guidance. So let's move on now to our pile two. So those who have selected this file, let's see what messages your person has for you. Amazing. We have Hierophant. So here I can see marriage, definitely for people who are waiting for marriage. You will receive some marriage offer, commitment. Doors of new opportunity will open. I can see that major transformations are coming. You have key to success. You are about to finish, reach the finish point. Lot of changes, lot of transformation. Have faith. And they are in a very, maybe they are visiting spiritual places. Next is, they are not opening up, they have not expressed, but I can see that they are telling you to wait for them, because they really like you, they are really impressed by you, they like the way you are, the way you present yourself, the way you look, the way you nurture your surroundings. So they really like and admire you. I can see that they have been observing you on social media, or they live nearby you and they have been seeing you since a while, and something must have happened. They are feeling burdened. This is because of past experiences, whether it is between both of you or individual past experiences which is stopping them. But I can see that the situation will change, and you may expect some transformation. Let's see now what messages your person has for you. These are handwritten messages. So let's see. Okay. Forever together. Okay. He is thinking about long term. He's, as I said, marriage partnership. Will you trust me? You already know the answer. Maybe you have asked him something and he's saying that, you already know the answer. We have to wait till my finances grow. Okay, this is very much similar to the reading which is being posted on Dyotak, which is my Hindi channel, and exact same reading was there for pile 2. So yes, maybe people who are watching that video who can understand Hindi, you can check out my video on Dyotak by Sapna. Okay, then we have big changes within 9 months. So we have timeline. I am physically, as I said, they are very attracted by the way you dress up, the way you are, the way you present yourself. So physical attraction is there. They are physically attracted towards you. No, see, lot of messages, but will not take all. Oh my God, you have I love you. And then you also have proposal, so you will receive some proposal and offer of love, offer of marriage. Let's see one last message from your person. Okay, thank you so much, universe. I am working hard for us, can you wait? So exactly, they are working on the finances and they want you to wait. We are scared also if you'll wait or not. Okay, but they want you to wait, they love you. So, yes, this was the reading. I hope it resonated with you. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed and stay happy.